Uy, beachfront ka naman eh. Arte ka pa ba? Girl! The pool! Likod. Hot ba yan? Hindi yan hot. O, follow mo si kuya. Saan si kuya? Akyat pa tayo? Hindi. Ito maganda sana, no? Tapat lang. Baka madulas na kung katulakbo. Ano?
Yung pala.
Meron nga. Mag-gym. Oh, nice. Ganda pa yung pwesto natin. Oo. Tabi. Tapat lang. Lakas ng ulan. So, here's our room. Ulan. Okay. Pagpasok natin, ito, sa likod ng pinto, I have 2 complimentary drinks or water. And then, dito sa baba, we got mini fridge. Walang laman. So, up to you. And then, to the right is your actual room. So, ganda na ang kanyang ceiling. Yan. We have small TV right here. I think it's 32 inches. Console table with cabinets. Yan. And then, malaking window that opens into a veranda. So, before that, balik muna tayo dito. So, yung pagpasok, so that's the door. And then, pagpasok mo, you will see this. Ayan siya. So, ito yung bed. It's a king-size bed. So, medyo magulo na. Kasi, nagpahinga kami kanina when we got here. And then, ayan siya. So, may dalawang bedside tables. Plus, you have your table right here. And then, another table for work stuff. So, yan. Dinala lang namin yung laptop namin. And then, the charger. This is how it looks like. May vanity mirror right there. Kettle for hot water. Pair of cups. Complimentary tea. Coffee, cream, sugar, tissue, and then ito siya. Okay, and then here, so again, ito yung bed. Ayan siya. May pa-keme na ganyan. Cute ng lights. And then, meron nga pala silang free, meron silang Sanicare na free maliit na wipes. Merong hand sanitizer and free masks. And then here, meron kang cabinet that you can hang your clothes right there. Ayan siya, more storage. And then, yung mga clean and sanitized na bath towels. So, I-notice nung binuksan ko siya, we have an extra comforter right here. And below that is an extra pillow. So, there. And then, meron pag isa dito. Same thing, hanging, and play AC. More storage. May safe, lagyan ng laundry, another shower na empty. And then, mga shoes lang namin. And then, meron pa lang dalawang, like on both sides, meron dalawang super laking mirror. So, there, you can see me. And then, same sa kabila. Ayan siya. So, pagpasok mo sa bathroom, there's no, like, fixed door. So, ayan. Merong malaking mirror with your sink. There you go. This one is a hair dryer. Extra, or may free na, ano ba to? Cotton buds and cotton pads. Sewing kit. Insect repellent. Galing. And then, sa right, you have mga baso, pang toothbrush, 2 pairs. Again, toothbrush. Wala toothpaste dito. Meron siguro sa loob. And then you have soap na very, very small. And then here, ito nga pala yung switch ng shower. So here is your shower area. Meron kang shower enclosure na full length. Then when you get here, meron kang lagyan ng toiletries. So, meron silang provided shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. So, sobrang bango, by the way, dito sa rooms nila. Got soap, shower cap. This one, I actually brought this one kasi super dry ng skin ko. So, I needed extra moisture. And then you have rods to hang your clothes or towels, and then your shower. So there are 2 shower heads, so one like that, your regular shower head, and another one that is rain shower. Get no lights, ang social. And then, ayan siya. Yan lang. And then, sa kabilang side, so again, going back from the sink, when you go left, ito naman yung separate na toilet. So there. Same, meron din siyang full-length na door. Same lighting. And then may ganyan with your extra tissue. May bidet. Thank you, Lord. May phone. And then, yung actual na tissue na nakakabit. Anyway. So, that's the bathroom. And then, when you go outside the veranda or the balcony, ito siya. Ayan. May mga blackout curtains lang din tayo. Ayan, blackout curtains. Then, when you open it, nalabas pa ba ako? Umuulan siya. So, may mga chairs na ganyan, rattan chairs sa labas. Ayan, covered naman siya. Covered naman yung roof. Slight. Ayan, may pa-bamboo effect. So, this is your balcony. So, you have another chair right there. I think sampayan niya ng mga basang swimwear. And then, yeah, this is the view from our balcony. So, ayan siya. Ito ay Henan, Crystal Sands. Neighboring resort. And then, dun yung pool banda. There. That's the pool. Pool area. So, maulan. I don't know kung kailan kami makakapag-swim. But, we just got here today. So, I think itong stairs na to are leading to the spa, if I'm not mistaken. And then, the gym ata is this way. Anyway, may mga ibang rooms pa doon banda, pataas ng stairs. So, that's the tour. Ito yung outside. And yun. Ayan siya. Okay, bongga. So, by the way, this is your premiere room. So, yun. Yun siya. Yun lang. Very nice and simple.
Gagawin natin yan bukas eh. Kanina yan. Ha?
And dual view.
Ikaw lang kasi talaga ano.
Galing yan eh. Ano pala yan? Dual view.
Wala. Paano kayo intro dyan? Ikaw lang mag-isa mag-drive nun. Ay, live lang ba ng motor? Wala ko, ikaw mag-isa. Ikaw na.
Wow! Panay mo slippers oh. Dito oh. Naginib. Yung mga honting lamot-lamot. Ito. Uy! I love the water. Yung mga lumot. Dun sa ibang part wala. Mga lumochi. Umuulan dun banda. Ha? Oo. Ha? Hi, girl! Hi, girl! Hmm?
Okay, kumain pa lang. Ikaw na.
Hello!
Hello!
Hello! Tap dyan, Gor. Ha?
This is just normal with bubble.
Sino ba nagsabi sa yung hot?
Ha?
ka nga lang makalubog. Okay lang? Hello! Wow! Tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
Oh, wow!
Approaching.
Approaching.
Naku, lumagpas, Pin. Char. Up, yeah.
Kailan ba magpa-refill yellow mamaya?
Pwede po. Sabi lang po.
Extra ba? Lalagay ito din.
Solong-solong mo, ah.